Hello SOLIDWORKS community. SOLIDWORKS 2022 is just around the corner. It features many enhancements to help you work smarter, work faster, and work together. We have focused on quality and robustness, so your tools are more reliable than ever. And of course, many new features you won't want to live without. Each year, you face new challenges. You rediscover the old ways of working are just not good enough. At SOLIDWORKS, we agree. Each release, we make significant strides to improve the tools you trust. We also are transforming our ecosystem with our 3D Experience Works portfolio. You take what you already know and love with SOLIDWORKS and supercharge it with all of the Dassault Systèmes best technology. So you work smarter, work faster, work together. This year we feature a long-time customer in the Netherlands, U-Boat Works. This fall, they are launching their Nemo submarine. It is one of the most sophisticated pieces of underwater tech available to consumers. It's an award-winning, revolutionary design and personalized for individual use. We are so proud to be part of their innovation, as well as your next great project. For now, sit back and take in everything new in SOLIDWORKS 2022 and the 3D Experience Works.